Hello Athens! Welcome back to my channel. Philip Orken ng SB19 nakarating na ng Singapore para sa kanang event na Music All Matters at Warner Music Singapore at Philippines, kung saan may dalawa siyang event na aatinan. Isang music event kung saan para lamang sa mga Asian artists at ibang piling-piling singers sa buong Asia. At yun nga ang 2 days niya. Kaya naman congratulations at Filipino representative itong si Ken sa Singapore.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.